Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. So I want to show you a new table setting that I just did. It is a color scheme of green and black. And to get started, I used the black chair covers. I used the green chair ties and just tied a bow around each one. I used a green satin tablecloth, and here is a black satin table runner. The plates I got from Dollar Tree, and I have the green one first, and then I have the smaller cake plate in black on top. I used the green paper cups and just kind of added some green napkins inside just to give the table a little bit more pizzazz. What else do we have? We have the balloons, and I use them in green and black. And the balloon stands I really do like. I've purchased a few of these because I really do like them. They're not real heavy, but they are a little bit more sturdier than the ones that I've used in the past. And I think everything came out pretty good. I tried to keep it on a budget by using, Dollar Tree items. And yeah, I think everything came out nice. Normally I use like my glass Dollar Tree jars that I, normally add my bling on. And, that would be another option is that you can use the Dollar Tree jars and wrap them in, I think, yeah, they have black bling or green bling, and then add your candles to it. I think I'll try that, and just to show you guys the difference between the two so that you can see what it looks like. It would, make it a little bit more fancy. You can even add the dollar store wine glasses and use their plates and chargers and things of that nature. But I'm going to show you guys. I'll change it up just so you can see the difference. But if you want to stay within the budget, I still think this will work and think it's still quite cute. All right, guys, I will talk to you next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.